Klaviyo now connects to Claude seamlessly and securely, so you can prompt for insights and new campaigns in seconds. To get started, navigate to Claude Connectors and choose Klaviyo. Follow the instructions to confirm the connection, and you can start chatting instantly. Hey Klaviyo, how are my active flows doing? Claude immediately reviews my marketing performance and gives me not just a flow overview, but also catches some potential problems. So now I'll ask it for some recommendations. And here it is, giving me flow-specific, data-driven insights and real ideas, like checking my triggers, testing time delays, and exploring discounts. I need to report on this, so I'll get a quick chart built. And move on to my next task, asking Claude to start a campaign for our next major launch. Thanks, Claude. That's how easy it is to chat with Klaviyo in Claude, wherever you work, whenever you need.